So in this video, we want to quickly look at solution to quadratic equation using the completing the square method. We can use various methods to solve question under quadratic equation. Method like factorization method, we can use factorization method. We can use completing the square method. Completing the square method. Okay. We can use formula method. Formula method. And we can also use what we call scissors method. Scissors what? Method. But in this video, we want to look at what now? Completing the square method. As in using completing the square method to solve a quadratic equation. So let us go class. Now, the general form, I want to give us the steps before we solve the question. General form of a quadratic equation is this: ax squared plus bx plus c equals what now? 0. So what are the steps? The first thing, I will divide through by the coefficient of x squared. A is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, c is the constant. So the first step is I will divide through by what now? A. And a is the coefficient of x squared. So this will become ax squared all over a plus bx all over a plus c all over a equals to 0 all over a. A will cancel a here. We'll be left with what now? x squared plus bx all over a plus c all over a equals to what now? Is 0. I'm only trying to highlight the steps before we use the steps to solve a valid equation. So from here, what's the next thing? Now, in this point or at this point, the coefficient of x squared is 1. The coefficient of x is b all over a. The constant is now c all over a. Okay? Let us go to the beginning. The coefficient of x squared here is a. The coefficient of b is x. The constant is what now? C. What's the meaning of coefficient? What you use to multiply another thing. So what we use to multiply x squared is what? Is a. But at this point, the coefficient of x squared is 1. The coefficient of s is b all over a. The constant is c all over a. So the next one, this one here will go to this side. We now have x squared plus bx all over a is equals to, when this one is crossing to this side, it become minus c all over what? All over a. This is where the power now is. This is where the power of completing the square method is. What's the rule? The rule says we should add the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides. Let me write it here. Add, this is where the power is. Add the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides. So just watch me as I do the work now, the analysis. We are adding what? We are adding half of the coefficient of x and we square it to both sides. So we are adding what now? Add the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides. So the question is, what is the coefficient of x at this point? That's b over a. So I'll write the coefficient out. B all over what now? A. What is half of it? It means times what now? Times half. Isn't it? So b times 1 is what now? Is b all over a times c is what now? 2a. So what are we adding? We are going to square it. Because the rule says we should add the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides. So this is half of the coefficient of x. We're not going to what now? Square it. So we are adding b all over 2a all squared to both sides. But the rule says add the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides. This is half of the coefficient of x, b all over 2a. Half means times half. What is the coefficient of x? B all over a. So half b over a here. Half of it is what now? Times half. So 1 times b, a times c is what now? 2a. But we are going to square the result. So we are adding what now? We are adding plus bx all over a. We are adding b all over 2a all square to both sides is equals to what? Minus c all over a plus b all over 2a all square. All square. Okay? So what's that the next thing? What's the next thing? I'll pick one of these x. I'll pick one of these b over 2a all square. Are you with me now? So when I pick one here, pick one x here, plus b all over 2a. I will now square everything. If I open this bracket, I will have this here. Okay? So it's equals to what now? Minus c all over a plus b times b is b squared all over 2a times 2a. You know, this is 2a squared. It means 2a times 2a. What is 2a times 2a? I'll give us what now? 4a squared. Look at this. 2a times 2a equals to 2 times 2, 4. A times a squared. So we have 4a squared here. Plus, whenever we are solving what now? Question under quadratic equation using completely the square method. When we get to this phase, are you with me? When we get to this phase, just pick one of these square x, pick one of these b over 2a, and square everything. Are you with me now? If I open this bracket, we are going to have this. Okay? So let us continue. What's that the next thing? This will now be equal to, what's the LCM here? 4a squared. How many a can we see in 4a squared? That is 4a squared divided by a. 1a will cancel what now? 1a. Will now be left. 4a squared means 4 times a all over what now? All over a. 4a squared means 4 times a. So this a will cancel this a. We are having what now? 4a. We now use that 4a to multiply this minus c. Now we are having minus 4ac. Then plus 4a squared is 4a squared. 1. 1 times b squared will give us what now? B squared. So we have this step now. Okay? So what is the next thing here? We are having s plus b all over 2a all squared. S plus b all over 2a. Let me read this please. So we are going forward. We are going forward. So what is the next thing? I can rearrange this thing here. I can rearrange this square should come forward, minus 4ac should come backward. So I can have s squared, s plus b all over 2a all squared is equals to b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. I can rearrange b squared come forward, minus come to the back. Then I will now root both sides. I want to remove this square. I will root both sides. Now we are having s plus b all over 2a all squared, then root both sides is equals to plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. Okay? Plus or minus the root of what now? Everything here. Root of b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. So these roots here, we cancel out this what now? This square. Now we are having s plus b all over 2a is equals to plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac. This one does not have what now? A perfect root. Okay? That's why I have to write it again. Root of b squared minus 4ac. But what's the root of 4? The root of 4 is 2. What's the root of a squared? It is what now? It is a. So we are having plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Root of 4 is 2. Root of a squared is what now? Is a. This one will now come here. Now we are having x is equals to minus b all over 2a plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. But this one is plus here. When it crosses this side, it becomes what now? Minus 2a, you can find the LCM. So our a, x is equals to, what's the LCM? 2a. 2a into 2a, 1. 1 times minus b, so I have plus or minus. 2a into a, 1. 1 times root of b squared minus 4ac to give us root of b squared minus 4ac. So this formula here is what we call the formula method. So it means the completing the square method will lead to formula method. Are you with me? So this is what we call formula method. Formula method used to solve a quadratic equation. But here we are dealing with what we call what now? Completing the square method. So you can pause the video and see and write this stuff. Write it down. This is the steps involved in using completing the square method to solve a quadratic equation. So you can pause the video and write this down. So let us solve the question. We have 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. We want to use completing the square method. Class, please follow me. Follow me bumper to bumper, please. Okay? So I can use this method to solve this question. 3x squared minus 5x. 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. Minus 5x plus 2 equals what now? Is 0. We have been asked to use the completing the square method to solve this question. So what's the first thing? What is the coefficient of x squared here? 3. What is the coefficient of x? Minus 5 with the sign. What is the constant? Plus 2. The first step is I will divide 2 by the coefficient of x squared, which is 3. So divide 2 half by 3 by 3 by 3 by 3. 3 will cancel out 3. We have what here? X squared minus 5x over 3 plus 2 all over 3 equals to what now? Is 0. 0 over anything is what? Is 0. But anything over 0 is undefined. 0 over anything is what? Is 0. But anything over 0 is undefined. So let us proceed. What's that next in class? Here, it means the coefficient of x squared now is what? 1. Coefficient of x is minus 5 over 3 with the sign. And the constant is that what now? 2 over 3. The next step is we transfer this constant to this space. It is us here. When it comes to this space, it will become what now? Minus. It becomes minus. So now x squared minus 5x over 3 is equal to what now? Minus 2 all over 3. Let me clean this space up. Minus 2 over 3. What is now the rule? This is where the power is. This is where the power of completing the square is. What is the power? Like I told you, we are adding the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides. We are adding the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides. So, what is the coefficient of x here? Minus 5 over 3. Are you with me? With the sign, minus 5 over 3. Then half of it means what now? Half times minus 5 over 3. 1 times minus 5, that will be minus 5. Over 2 times 3 is 6. But we will not stop there. We have to square it. We square it. Add the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides. So we are adding minus 5 over 6 all squared to both sides. So this one becomes x squared minus 5x over 3. We are adding minus 5 over 6 all squared to both sides. 2 over 3 plus minus 5 over 6 all squared. What is that next in class? Let us go. So now, I said, whenever we get to this point, what are you to do? You pick one of these x, I will pick one of these ones at the square. Pick one of these, pick one of these, and we add them together. So we now pick 1x plus minus 5 all over 6 all squared. Are you with me? Is equals to what? 2 over 3 minus 5 squared. This is minus 5 times minus 5, which is what now? Plus 25 all over 6 squared means 6 times 6, which is what now? 36. Plus times minus will give us plus. I shall just include what now? The bracket here. So this one will become something like this. so we don't make mistake. All square. Do this. I'll pick one of these. I'll pick one of this one here inside this bracket. I'll now add them together. So plus times minus is what now? Is minus. We'll now be having s minus 5/6 all squared is equals to, what's the LCM? 36. 3 in 36, that will be 12. 12 times this will give us what now? 20. This minus here. We have minus 2 here. Please don't make that mistake. Minus 2. Minus 2. This is minus 2 here. Minus 2. Minus 2 is here. So we have 36 divided by 3. That is 12. 12 times minus 2 gives us what now? Minus 28, 24. Then plus 36 in 36. 1. 1 times 25 gives us what now? 28, 25. So please let us go back. When we transfer this 1 to this place, we have minus 2 over 3. Minus 2. So my mind skipped that minus 2 over 3. So I have to include the minus 2 over 3. So it's not intentional. So it is minus 2 over 3, not plus 2 over 3. Take note of that. It is equals to what? Minus 2 over 3, minus 2 over 3. So here we now having s minus 5/6 all squared is equals to minus 24 plus 25. That will be 1. 1 over what? 1 over 36. What's the next step? We root both sides. We root both sides. So it means our x minus 5. Let me clean this one. Let me clean this one. It means what now? X minus 5. X minus 5/6 will be equals to plus or minus the root of 1 all over 36. What's the root of 1? 1. So I'm having x minus 5/6 is equals to plus or minus root of 1 is 1 all over root of 36 is what? Is 6. This one will now come here. We now have our x to be equals to, when this minus is crossing, it becomes what now? Plus. We now have what? 5/6 plus or minus 1 over what now? 6. Our x will now be equals to, what's the LCM? 6. 6 in 6, 1. 1 times 5 is what now? 5. Plus or minus 6 in 6, 1. 1 times 1 is what? Is 1. So we're having our x is equals to what? 5 plus or minus 5 plus or minus 1 over what now? So what's the meaning of this statement? It means x is equals to what? 5 plus 1 all over 6 or 5 minus 1 all over 6. So our x will be equals to 6 all over 6 or 4 all over 1 over 6. X will now be equals to 6 in 6, 1. 2 here, 2 all over 2 here, 3. So our answer is x is equals to 1 or s is equals to what now? 2 all over 3. When we put this thing here, we must have the 0. Okay, let us confirm. So I will use 1 to confirm it, and you use 2 over 3 to confirm. Are you with me? So what is the given equation? Normal. The normal given equation is what now? 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. If I put this 1 here, I must have the 0. That's the meaning. You know, the meaning was equals to 0 here. I hope you understand. So it means when I substitute 1 for x here, I must have the 0. It's a must. If not, it means this solution is what now? Is wrong. So I will check using 1. Then you please check using 2 over 3 and drop your answer in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and share to your friends. If you need any physical coaching for JUPEB, for JAM, for WAEC, you can call any of the number on screen. Even 100 level students nationwide. Okay, so physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. Okay, for 100 level students, you can call any of this number on the screen. JAM, WAEC, JUPEB, 100 level students. Join us in the race. So let us confirm. When I put 1 here, what do I have? 3, I get 1 squared, minus 5, I get 1, plus 2. Will it give me 0? 1 squared is what? Is 1. 1 times 3 is what? Is 3. Minus 4 times 1 is minus 5, and I have what? Plus 2. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 gives us what? Is 0. So it means the solution is correct. Do this one and drop your answer in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.